Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Alexis Stevens, a board certified dermatologist, and today we are talking all about Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol. It is the new ingredient that everyone is talking about. All of the skincare lines are now jumping on this trend and including it into their products. But is it worth your money? And what the heck is it anyway? Bakuchiol is actually known as the natural alternative to retinol. There is finally something that is naturally derived that can rival the benefits of retinol. Spoiler alert, I don't think this is a trend. I think this is here to stay because the clinical data and research shows that this is a phenomenal ingredient that undoubtedly deserves a place in your skincare regimen. So what is it? So Bakuchiol is derived from the seeds and leaves of a medicinal plant found in South America called Sorelia coralifolia. It's been found to be antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant. It's photoprotective. It is not photosensitive. It's also been found to help with hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles. It's been proven to improve the overall skin texture, tone, and quality of your skin. And like most things, we're late to the game. This has been used in Indian and Chinese medicine for years. Bakuchiol plays well with others, increases the tolerability of other products, reacts synergistically with other actives like retinol or vitamin C, and may even be an anti-cancer agent. This is one powerful ingredient that you definitely want in your skincare regimen. Every skincare brand is now trying to incorporate Bakuchiol, and for good reason. The majority of the research behind Bakuchiol shows that it is fantastic for anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, acne, and a recent study published June 2020 shows that it actually can increase skin hydration in those with sensitive skin like eczema, atopic dermatitis, rosacea, or those that are just cosmetically intolerant. It actually increases skin hydration without disrupting the skin barrier. So if you're looking to incorporate Bakuchiol into your skincare regimen, I'm going to show you the best products to do it because you really want to incorporate it based off of what you're trying to get out of the product. Bakuchiol works synergistically with other active ingredients. So if you're interested in incorporating Bakuchiol into your skincare regimen, stick around. I'm going to give you the recommendations of different products that I would use. And specifically, we'll talk about which products would be great when trying to focus on anti-aging versus hyperpigmentation versus acne treatments. There were two studies in 2014. Both of them showed that Bakuchiol has amazing anti-aging benefits. In fact, the data shows that Bakuchiol rivals retinol when it comes to improving skin tone, firmness, elasticity by decreasing the amount of collagen that is broken down. It actually switches on the same genes as retinol with similar clinical outcomes. So it helped to improve the aging of the skin. It activates the increase in extracellular matrix protein, which is made up of all the good stuff: collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. This is what gives you that firm, plump, youthful skin that we're all looking for. And like retinol, it actually slows down the breakdown of collagen. It increases the expression of matrix metalloproteinase inhibitors. And these stop the destruction of collagen in the skin. A second study in 2014 showed that by applying Bakuchiol twice a day to the skin, there was an improvement in fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, a decrease in photosensitivity, and an increase in skin firmness. In 2019, there was a head-to-head study in which retinol and Bakuchiol were both used by patients at a concentration of 0.5 for both ingredients. While there were similar outcomes in the decreased amount of fine lines and wrinkles and improvement in the hyperpigmentation, the patients on Bakuchiol actually were found to have less irritation and less redness than those who were using the retinol. So while Bakuchiol and retinol equally decreased the amount of sun damage that was found on the skin and decreased the amount of hyperpigmentation that was found on the skin, Bakuchiol was found to be a whole lot less photosensitive and irritating to the skin. So I would say you should definitely try out Bakuchiol in your skincare regimen. It has all of the same benefits of retinol with less side effects. No over-drying and no photosensitivity. The other way that you can think about including this into your regimen is if you're really trying to fight the anti-aging process and you're using a retinol. Retinols can safely be used at nighttime only because they are photosensitive, whereas a Bakuchiol product can be used both morning and nighttime because it is not photosensitive. It's not broken down by UV rays or light. So if you're using a retinol at nighttime, you can always consider incorporating a Bakuchiol into your morning routine to give you that extra edge in fighting the aging process. If you're looking to really hype up your anti-aging benefits, then you could go with something like Paula's Choice because it has retinol, but it also has Bakuchiol. If you're very sensitive or intolerant to retinol, you could go with something like the Inkey List because the Inkey List has Bakuchiol without any additional retinol added. Bakuchiol has also been found to be helpful for acne patients. It actually has been found to be more helpful than salicylic acid at reducing blemishes. How does it do this? Well, it works on multiple pathways of acne pathogenesis. It's antibacterial and it decreases the amount of cutie acne or C. acnes that's found within the pores. It helps stop comedone formation. It helps to decrease oil overproduction. It does this by inhibiting the activity in the sebaceous glands through 5-alpha reductase, which drives oil production and clogs our pores. It's anti-inflammatory, so decreasing the red blemishes or the redness and erythema that's associated with acne. And it helps with the hyperpigmentation that is commonly associated post-acne lesion. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is greatly reduced with the use of Bakuchiol. The studies that show Bakuchiol being promising for acne happened in 2017, in which Bakuchiol was actually paired with salicylic acid. And patients that were using this combination were found to have a lot less irritation of the skin and a decrease in the amount of inflammatory lesions that were actually present on the skin. So Bakuchiol and salicylic acid yielded better results than just salicylic acid alone. Patients that were using Bakuchiol along with salicylic acid also found way less irritation on their skin. It's also really easy to formulate in combination with other active ingredients. Another study that looked at how Bakuchiol affects acne actually compared it to adapalene, 0.1%. It was found that patients tolerated the adapalene much more when combined with Bakuchiol, ginkgo biloba, and mannitol. It was found that the patients who were using Bakuchiol in addition to the adapalene, ginkgo biloba, and mannitol had increased improvement in their acne but decreased irritation. If you're fighting acne, you actually want to go with a product more along the lines of Allies of Skin because it has salicylic acid in addition to the Bakuchiol. So how does Bakuchiol work on hyperpigmentation? So Bakuchiol has been found to help decrease hyperpigmentation. But how does it do this? Well, it works on the alpha melanosome stimulating hormone. It inhibits the effects of alpha melanosome stimulating hormone, which is one of the first pathways to melanin synthesis. It also reduces the effects of tyrosinase activity, acting as a tyrosinase inhibitor. Tyrosinase is the rate-limiting step of melanogenesis, so stopping this pathway greatly reduces the amount of melanin that is produced. So if you're fighting hyperpigmentation, you would want to incorporate it into a product like the Burt's Bees Dark Spot Corrector because it also has vitamin C. The American Academy of Dermatology just held a virtual meeting June 2020, which demonstrated that patients with sensitive skin, atopic dermatitis or eczema, rosacea, or just those who are cosmetic intolerant handled Bakuchiol very well. In fact, there was an increase in skin hydration without any disruption to the skin membrane barrier. This is a fantastic ingredient to include if you are someone who has tried using a retinol or vitamin C before and have found a lot of sensitivity. So if you are looking for a product that has been proven to increase your skin hydration and still give you the benefits of Bakuchiol, Burt's Bees line is showing data to though that data was done by Burt's Bees. So you always want to take that into consideration when considering a product. So if you have sensitive skin, you should undoubtedly give Bakuchiol a try. It has all of the same benefits of retinol without the irritation, the overdrying, and the photosensitivity that can occur. Like most ingredients, when something gets trendy, all of the brands will jump on it. Quite a few of them are very affordable, so it's worth a try. Bakuchiol protects the skin from UV-induced damage by reducing the oxidative stress and environmental impurities that can happen to the skin. This is also really important for my pregnant or nursing mamas out there who want to fight the anti-aging process but do it safely. Bakuchiol has been found to be safe for pregnant and nursing mamas, so you would want to go with one with a Bakuchiol only and not with an additional retinol. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you on my channel. I make weekly videos with product reviews, skin tips, and tricks. So comment below what you would like to see, and I'll be happy to make that video for you. Until next time, be well.